let's look at the number 1 again. With fractions, the relationship between the numbers, not the actual numbers themselves, is most important. So understanding how to multiply and divide fractions can give you a deeper understanding of why you can increase or decrease the numbers within a fraction without changing the value of the whole fractions. When you multiply or divide any number by 1, the number is the same. The rule also goes for fractions. Right? For example, if I have 1 times 1, I get 1. 10 times 1, I get 1. So when it comes to fraction, it's also the same. 3 over 8 times 1, I get 3 over 8. 67 over 70 times 1, I get 67 over 70. Now remember, when a fraction has the same number in both the numerator and the denominator, the value is 1, right? In other words, if I have 2 over 2, or 3 over 3, or 4 over 4, now all these are equivalent to 1. So let's have a look at what happens when you multiply the fraction 3 over 4 by 2 over 2. So in this case, as we have learned in multiplication, the numerator multiplies together and the denominator as well, so you get 6 over 8. Now the net effect is that you have increased the terms of the original fraction by 2. This is your original fraction, and looking at this here, you increase the term of the original fraction by 2. But all that you have done is multiply the fraction by 1, because 2 over 2 is simply 1. So the value of the fraction hasn't changed. The fraction 6 over 8 here is in fact similar to 3 over 4. Why? Because 6 over 8, I can reduce it. We learned about reduction of fraction. So if I reduce 6 over 8, I get 3 over 4. So therefore, the value remains the same. Now similarly, reducing the fraction 6 over 9 by a factor of 3 is similar as dividing the fraction by 3 over 3, which is equal to 1, right? So if we 3 over 3, we will get 2 over 3. Okay? So therefore, 6 over 9 will be similar to 2 over 3. So that is the relationship of 1 when it comes to fraction.